with that crystal ball, this is it right here, okay? So once again, right, we use that key high point, right? That's where we entered our fib, and we already anticipated that, hey, this is where we're looking to get in. And you can see on this day, the price literally dropped right into our zone, right? So we would have gotten into the trade, right at that area. And I'm gonna just make this a little bit bigger here, right where we can see the price dip, right, just by a wick, right, down into our zone, and then bam, we got in. And this allows you to get to take advantage of trades that are like low risk, high reward trades. They're low risk because you're getting in right before the market turns around, right? We're not expecting it to go any lower, right? So if we're able to get in at the very bottom, that's like what you consider low risk, right? Compared to other people, what they may do is they're not sure when they should be getting in. And so what happens is they see the price drop a little bit. And this happened literally over the past week or so, as we saw Bitcoin drop, right? A lot of times people they see Bitcoin drop and they start to get in. Maybe they get in when the price is only roughly around this area, right? Where I highlighted it, right? So, and to use numbers to be more specific with you guys, maybe we see, XRP was at $1.43. And as soon as they see XRP drop to $1.27, they're like, oh my gosh, it's dropping, let me get in. But for us doing our analysis, we're like, you know what? I anticipate it's still gonna drop lower. I don't wanna buy there yet because there's still a lot of risk that if I buy and put money in there, it could drop a lot more, right? So we're waiting all the way until it drops to under $1, right? We get in at 96 cents. That's where we put our money, and it's low risk because we're not anticipating it to drop any lower. So now we are making money all the way back up later on, right? While they got in here and put more money in here, but it drops even lower. So now they're losing money, right? So this is super, super important. I'm glad, Sharon, that you had that light bulb moment. I'm telling you, it's still gonna come. There's some more to come, trust me. But yes, this is so key, okay? Perfect question. Actually, let me scroll up a little bit. Perfect, Joycelyn, perfect. Also had a light bulb moment. I love it. Perfect. James says, are we able to set an alert when it hits that spot we marked off? Yes, that's the beautiful part. This is how you automate your trading, right? You don't even have to, like for me guys, I do not sit in front of the charts. As much as I love the charts, I am not in front of the charts 24/7, okay? I have other things to do. I'm always up and about, right? But yes, you can send an alert, right? It's actually the second tool right here, right? You can send an alert and it tells you all the different price points, the different charts you have alerts on, right? Yes, you can send an alert that, hey, you know what, if it reaches, this area right here or this specific price, right? Or it reaches $1 as an example, then you'll get either a text message, email, whatever. And then you're able to say, you know what, that's perfect. I can just jump right into this trade, right? The other thing that you could do as well, okay, is, and we'll dive into like, even when it comes to, if you have MetaTrader 4 open, which you can pull that open on your phone, you open MetaTrader 4, okay? And I want you to just click on XRP USD, right? So if you have your phone open, right, you're on MetaTrader 4, you click on XRP USD, any currency, to be honest with you. What I want you guys to see is that you have different options, right? And I'll show you how to do that. So right at the very top, you see it says market execution, okay? If I click on market execution, now it gives me options in terms of the type of trades that I want to do. Now, market execution means that you want to get into the trade